Hey, what's up, Authentic family? Today we're diving into a truck that's been an American icon for decades, the 2025 Ford F-150. This beast is back, and it's better than ever. Whether you're here for the power, the design, or sustainability, Ford's got something up its sleeve this time. So let's rev the engine and get into it. First up, the design. The 2025 F-150 keeps that rugged, bold look, but with some modern tweaks. Up front, we have the signature large grille, now more aggressive, and those sleek LED headlights that wrap around for a sharper look. And you can't miss the sculpted hood lines, giving it that "don't mess with me" vibe. Now let's talk interior. Imagine sitting inside, surrounded by premium materials and a massive 12-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. The new Sync 4 system integrates your phone seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, the F-150 comes with Ford's Pro Power onboard feature. Whether you're at the job site or camping, this truck can power everything from tools to TVs, like having a generator on wheels. All right, let's get under the hood. The 2025 F-150 comes in multiple engine options, from the traditional V6 to the mighty V8. But what's really making waves is the Power Boost hybrid option. Yes, hybrid. This model cranks out 430 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 570 lb-ft torque. And if you're wondering about towing capacity, we're talking over 12,000 pounds. Need to haul a boat? No problem. Here's a cool stat. Ford's been dominating the full-size truck market for 46 straight years. That's right, minus 46 years. And with over 600,000 F-150s sold last year, Ford is still the top dog. Now, let's shift gears to something super important: sustainability. Ford's making big moves here. The 2025 F-150 has more eco-friendly materials like recycled plastics and even soy-based foam in the seats. Plus, that Power Boost hybrid option isn't just powerful, it's also more fuel efficient, giving you up to 25 miles per gallon combined. Not bad for a truck, right? Ford is aiming to hit carbon neutrality by 2050. And trucks like the F-150 are helping lead that charge. Fewer emissions, less fuel consumption. This is the future of sustainable power in the pickup world. So what's the takeaway here? The 2025 F-150 is not just a truck, it's a game changer. From market trends, we're seeing more demand for hybrids and electric trucks, and Ford is responding with innovations like the hybrid powertrain and sustainability efforts. The F-150 stays ahead of the curve. If you're in the market for a truck that's built tough, but also smart and green, the 2025 F-150 should be at the top of your list. That's a wrap for today's review, folks. What do you think of the new F-150? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews from Authentic. Until next time, keep driving and stay authentic.